Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to get Alexa answering on your Anki or DDL Vector robot. First thing you're going to want to do is open up your web interface for your WirePod instance. Oops. So what I've done here is opened up the web interface. I've got WirePod settings open, and what you want to do is click on the bot settings option. This should pull up the serial number for your vector that you have connected to WirePod already. And then you just click the connect button. This will bring you into the actual robot settings. Then you just want to come to this option right here, Alexa, and click that. And then click the sign in Alexa button. That should pop up a code on Vector's screen. Yep, there we go. And then you just go and put that code into your Amazon account. I'll show you how to do that here in a second. All right, so you just have to go to amazon.com/code and sign into your Amazon account. And then it will be asking you for the little code that is right here on Vector's screen. So you just enter that. Oh, of course I wasn't typing. So just enter the little code, hit continue, and it may take a second for Vector to activate, especially depending on how slow your connection is. And then it's going to ask if Anki can access the Alexa voice services. Click allow. And Vector should come to life here again shortly. Success! Your registration is now complete. Vector just came back to life. Alexa! And look at that, we have Alexa on our Vector.